We present this elegant detached villa in El Puig de Santa María, 12 kilometres from Valencia, and located in one of the most exclusive residential areas of the town. The property has a gym area, sauna, jacuzzi, and 2 swimming pools, one heated and the other one outdoors to enjoy all year round. A large entrance hall leads us to the living room and dining room, which are connected to the kitchen and its laundry area. We can also find 2 bedrooms, one of them with an ensuite bathroom and a guest restroom. On the first floor there are 4 bedrooms with 2 complete bathrooms and the suite, which has a dressing room and a bathroom. All of them are very spacious and have different terraces with good views. The house has a big garden and a barbecue area to enjoy with family and friends. There is also a garage with space for 3 cars and a lift to access the rest of the house. If you are looking for a home in a quiet area and close to the city, don't wait any longer. Contact us for more information.